people, how you doing? It's your favorite camera girl. Okay, so today guys, I'll be showing you how to draw your brows super and easy, just using like 2 or 3 instruments or items on this. So first of all, I'll be using my cream of nature gel. You can use any gel you have at home. It's still going to work for you. So I'll be using that to make stick my brows firm for me. Also, I'm gonna be using to comb in as well. I'll be using all the details I'll be using. I'm gonna be on the instrument box. I'm gonna be on the description box, so you can check that out. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification buttons on, and as well also give it a thumb up if you really love this as well. So guys, I'm also using my SACHA BUTTERCUP to stick on it and to set it firm as well, because it's gonna hold the brow as firm for me. So now I'm going in using the sleek brow gem. The sleek brow gem is really nice. It makes my brow look light. It doesn't give me a very shouty brow when I use the brow pencil. So I use that in drawing my brows mostly, or you can also go for the nice professional makeup brow gems, or you can use it for the beauty liner. That one also really nice. So I'm using 2 different shades for this brow. I'm going with my Pro concealers in LaGIRL Toffee and LaGIRL Toast. LaGIRL Toffee is used for that lighter shade, which is the downside, and you use the tools for the darker shade, and which is for the up shade. So guys, you have to use 2 different shades to differentiate your brows, because it's really going to help you. So I'm going to center that brows to the center of my nose, which is going to define my makeup for me really well. So I'm bringing it out really nicely to the center of my nose. You can see how I'm bringing it out, and I'm going to just blend in my concealers really nicely. Just blend it well. So guys, I really hope you love this, and I really hope you're going to comment and give it a thumb up, and also turn up your notification buttons for more videos coming up. And I will see you same time, same girl, just same me, your favorite camera girl, same channel. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video, and I want to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn up the notification buttons. I'm still saying it again. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.